I just wanted to do a quick little video for you regarding APA format. So I know your assignment this week is asking you to use APA format, and for some of you, you probably have used it a lot and you don't need this video, but some of you, this might be your first time attempting APA format. So I wanted to give you just two quick pointers here. First off, if you even just Google OWL Purdue APA, this is going to be a really good website for you in how to do APA format. So it's going to tell you how to do your title page, in-text citations, your reference page. So you can see here, one of the things you're going to have is a header on all your pages, which I will show you in just a second. You're going to have a title page. You can see the header on your title page will look like this. It'll show running head and the title of your paper, all in caps. And here's a brief summary of what that would look like. You do not need an abstract for this assignment, so don't worry about the abstract. You can skip over that, but then it'll talk about some citations of how you would cite in text as well as on your reference page. So play around with this website. It's a really handy resource for you. As I said, that'll help you. Another thing that will help you, I'll just give you a quick sample version here. This is a paper I had to do for a graduate class I was taking last year. So I apologize if there might be some typos or something in here. I don't think this was the final version, but it'll give you an idea of what APA format will look like. First, everything should be in Times New Roman 12-point font throughout the entire paper. And as I said, you're going to have this header that is going to be consistent throughout your entire paper. The only difference is on your title page, you do include these words running head in front of the title. All other pages will just be the title of your paper and the page number. To get the different headers here, you're just going to hit Insert, Header, and then you would create a blank header. But since I already have that, I'm just going to edit my header, and you can see I have this option checked, different first page. By checking that, it allows my header to have the words running head, where when I go down to the second page, now I can just put in the title of my paper in all caps, and then that will stay throughout the rest of my paper. So that is how you're going to get the header, is by Insert Header. You can close that. You can also see how you would do in-text citations. With APA format, anywhere you are paraphrasing information from, you need to cite that source. Of course, with direct quotes, you would have quotations around the direct quote. This is a paraphrase example of how to cite in text. It would be parenthesis, author's last name, comma, year of publication, parenthesis. And if there's multiple authors, here's just a couple other ways that you could use that would be correct. The author's last name, parenthesis, year of publication, parenthesis. With multiple, it would be last name and last name, parenthesis. So here are just a couple examples for you with the in-text citation. Your reference page would be a separate sheet that says, or separate page, references. And then, of course, on that APA website I gave you, it'll tell you all the information you need, such as author's last name, the year of publication, title of the article, where the article was. And then you use this thing called hanging indents, where you don't indent the first line of each reference, but you do indent the second and third line. And an easy way to do that is if these weren't indented, you could simply highlight it all, right-click, go to paragraph, and then under special, you could click hanging and do okay. Oops, I guess I already had that checked. So, but that's how you would do it, is just right-click on paragraph and then make sure hanging for special is done, and that would do it if it wasn't already done. Okay, so those are a couple pointers for you. Like I said, the APA website's probably going to be the absolute best for you to help you. Good luck. I can't wait to read the great stuff you submit.